Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to create this type of trendy photos using AI. So without wasting our time, let's get right into it. Open your browser and head over to ChatGPT. Once you're logged in, upload your image. Paste this prompt and you can find this prompt in the description box below. Wait for a few seconds. As you can see, we've got this cool looking image. This was the original image that I used. Now let's generate another awesome looking image. I'll again upload the same image. I'll paste this different prompt which you can also find in the description box below. Let's send the prompt. And we've got another trendy image. These are the two images that we generated. Both prompts will be in the description box below, so you can choose whichever you like. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.